Morning guys, my name is the Old Mechanic. What are we gonna do today? Well, today I have another sponsored video. I made a video about installing the Innovv radar blind spot detection, and I noticed on their website that they had a very good camera system. So I asked them, can you send me one too? Because first, I like it on my own bike and I want to make a review about it. And well, they sent me the Innovv K5. And guys, this is a real good camera. It's sort of an action camera, you could call it. Well, come on over and we start. Now guys, here we got it. It's in a nice box with, see, magnets. Innovv, derived from Innovv. Motorcycle technology with you in mind. That's what we want. Innovation bring motorcycling more pleasure. Yes. Well, this is in the box. See? I'm not sure. Let's take it out like this. Then we have, let's see now. Oh, that's something over there and over there, so it doesn't scratch. Oh, wow. This is the GPS module. This is the remote control, not wireless with a wire, but it's aluminium. Looks good. Let's see. Maybe, wait a minute. Yes, it's better. I don't want to scratch it. Now, let's move on. Whoop. We got it out. It's all in this box. So, a lot of wires. We've got this one and the remote control, this one. This is the rear camera. All this is aluminium, this is plastic, because it's a GPS sensor. This is the camera. Not sure what this is. Very interesting. Let's see. Looks really nice. Here, have a look. Really nice. Aluminium. Innovv. This needs to be towards the lens. Looks good. Then we have the DC converter. What is a DC converter? Ah, yes. This is the stuff. Even kijken. Battery on off. Ah, netjes. It's all in yeah, what is it? epoxy, and this is a lead, so see, I think it's plastic, but it feels good. The LED, battery LED, on, blue flashing, off, solid red, and when it's, oh no, delay power on 10 seconds, power off 25 seconds. The black goes to the negative on the battery. This one goes to the accessoire stacker, and this is the positive of the battery, but that's for later. So, put it over here. Don't drop it. Then we have the mount. The mounts. We have a microphone with a clip. Oh, put it over here if that's what you want. And we have this, we have that, and we have, let's a little bit out of the way. Now guys, let's see what this is. We have, this is for the rear camera. Watch. Okay, good. En deze steun, iets, Innovv. Okay, a tool, a piece of sticky rubber, also good for the wiring. And nice. Now this, a rubber grommet, another rubber grommet. Oh, we got 3 of them. Okay, 3 grommets, nice. A nut, this, and then we have, I think, some spare rings, maybe for there, and those sticky patches. That's good. Now I'm going to put this all in this box. Pop, and then this, and this, and this. Okay, that's one box of one, and then here we got another one. Another one bites the dust. Let's see. Now, guys, again, enough aluminium. 2, again, right, 4 rubber grommets, rings, washers, rubber washers. That's okay. 2, 4, 5. 2 cable clips. Some, again, block like this. And this is also aluminium. Okay, a straight one. And well, and then of course this out of the way. We have the nice. This is all in German. And we have another one in, and of course, yes, that's what I want. Stickers. Yes. This is the manual. Let's see. So, nice. Yeah, this is really nice, guys. This is something you can easily read instead of those. I need my magnifying glasses, but this is good. Okay. With Wi-Fi connections instructions, time calibration, microphone instructions, parking mode, G sensor. It's about, there's also an app with it. And here we got, oh wait, the specifications. This is absolute great. I've seen them much worse later on, I think. Okay, then let's see. This one here. This. Okay. Let's open this one. Let's see what's inside here. There is a slot for a SD card and then USB micro slot. Guys, over here I have 128 gigabyte SD card. We have to put it in like this. Always hold your finger on top of it, otherwise sometimes it shoots away. It's like this. Then this is towards the lens, like this. Also. Okay. Now. This is black. It's the remote control. Now, that's easy. It's only one way. Hop. Then, like this. Okay. Yes. Okay, wait a minute. These are two different ones. So, your only fits into this one. See? Because this is also orange, but that doesn't fit. There. Easy, huh? Okay. Then we have this one, our GPS module, only fits in here. Okay. Pop, pop, pop. Yes. Let's see, put this one over there. There. And then only one left. And that's the remote camera, the rear one. That's black, black on black. Oh, okay. Oh no, not one left. We still got a microphone. That one is red. Very easy. Then we're gonna